I just received this necklace from the company LETFLY, so let's go ahead and unbox it and check it out. So as you can see, it comes in a little box like this, so this is perfect for a gift. I'm going to go ahead and take it out. So inside the box, you do get this little pouch right here. It is like in a navy blue color, a little pouch. Let's go ahead and open it up. So inside the pouch, you will get your necklace. So your necklace in here is wrapped like this in plastic. So this is an 18 karat plated stainless steel necklace. Let's take it out. So this necklace is available for all the letters. So all the initials starting from A all the way up to Z. Of course, I got the letter J. So I thought this was actually together, and it is not. This necklace actually comes separate, but it is layered. So you get the smaller chain up top and the longer one at the bottom. It is actually pretty lightweight, super dainty. It does not feel heavy at all. So it does have a lobster clasp right here. You could go ahead and adjust that. And then you could either tie it to any of these smaller links or tie it to one of these thicker, like oval looking ones. Let's go ahead and put this one on first. So I usually try to put it on the very last little link just to show you the true length on me, just to kind of give you an idea on how long you could expect this. So this is kind of like a choker style. It is a little shorter. Now let me go ahead and show you the second one. Again, this one also has a lobster clasp. So I'm going to go ahead and unhook it. And it has a little pendant right here. I'll give you a closer look on that. So this is like the solid side. And on this side, this is actually the forward side. See how it has like that gold touch. Really, really nice detail. Again, this is such a dainty necklace. You could see the little chains. This is perfect for yourself or for a gift. And again, I always try to get it closest to the last link just to really give you an idea of that chain length. So when you put it on, you want to make sure that it is facing forward, because I just put it on and it was on backwards. So you want to make sure you have it facing correctly. Take a look. I laid it on top. So you can see you have the shorter one and then you get the initial one just below. So it's a beautiful combination. I'm going to go ahead and give you a closer look. So if you've been on the lookout for a new necklace, either for yourself or for a loved one, definitely check this one out. I absolutely liked the look and feel such a dainty look with the initial. So if you want to check it out for yourself, or you'd like to see all the letter options that they have available, what they would look like, I'll go ahead and drop the link down below. Make sure to click. Also, like and follow this video if you'd like to see more video reviews.